look.
Hey guys, so what's up? I'm back. So today it's a special vlog. We're gonna vlog about my training center here. So here we are. I'm at Haite now. I just got done with the session. I thought that today, since I have time, I'll come on the vlog, and finally I get done what I have been thinking for a long time. So here we go. Without wasting any time, let's go get started. So this is basically the entry. This is our reception. We get our ID cards and everything here, and along with that we also have the cafeteria down here. Okay, the lights are out, so I might not be able to show you well, but there we go. That's where the that's where the reception is. So Christmas preps already. So pretty cool, right? Okay. Up there we have the pilot's launch. I'm gonna take you there, and then we're gonna come back here. So here we go. Sorry you can't see my pretty face because we don't have mirrors here. But here we go. So next level, we are going to the pilot launch, where we can rest, where we can meet our new instructors, because now we get different instructors for different sessions, so we don't actually know. So we can just hang out here in case we want to sit or something, and then we'll move on. Oops. Okay. So there we have. So this area, we have 2 computers to ourselves, where basically this is for the Indigo thingy. So we can get our documentations, we can get some printouts or anything. It's all, we can serve this. This is basically for the students to take care of. Yep. These are the reception looks from here. Okay, so now we are in the lounge area, and as I said, here we can meet our instructors after sessions. We have some snacks kept here, we have coffee, we can get tea, etc, etc, blah blah blah. And also there's a customer desk, so I'll just show you around. This is our lounge area. Okay, so as I mentioned, we have everything out here kept. There's no one right here because it's currently 1:30 Eastern time. So obviously, yeah, and we have very odd session timing sometimes. Yep, this is where we have the lounge area. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you to the main place. I'm sure you guys are waiting for this for a very long time. I'm going to take you to the sim rooms. We have 2 A320 sims, 1 737 sim, and I just got out of a sim. I'm going to put the sim videos in this as well. You might not be able to hear because the air condition is pretty loud here, so just bear with me. So here we go. So this is our sim B. Just got out of it. I'll show you the internal video as well. It will be in the same clip. This is the sim A. This is the CAE one. It's currently on someone's practicing ground. And the third one out there is the 737. It's Captain Shai. Okay. So I can't go in because I'm not allowed to. But I have taken video, and it will be in this, where we are flying the sim. I'm not flying, Nicole is flying the sim. I'm taking the video of it. So this is our second floor. Now the third floor I'm going to show you in a while, so just be with me. So here we are on the third floor. This is the administrative one. So go away, Nicole, let me show. Okay, so the lights are out because, as I told, it's 1:30 and obviously I don't expect anyone to be here. But ghosts. Yeah, so this place is haunted, as Captain Chai said. I don't believe it though. Let's something's on the camera, sorry. So this is the administrative floor.
Why are you vlogging? It's like nothing there. It's nothing to vlog.
I'm showing around the place. I have to do it for...
You have to do it.
No, means I had to do it for a long time.
You had to do it.
Yeah. This is the third floor and the pantry. This is one of our CBT rooms where we basically practice and stuff. and the initial things are done over here, like our ground training phase and all was taken here. And this is the second CBT room, and so we have a cockpit layout. We have multiple PCs all loaded with the Airbus software. You can see one of which is going out here. So this is the layout. This is a 320 layout, so we can sit here, practice the layout. We have the 737 NG layout over there, and the same, there are even classrooms on the other side. So these are our classrooms. There are 5 of these. We were here when we came for the first day, and it's equipped with basically everything. So it's pretty nice. The ground phase was good. There is our IPT room. I will show that to you in a little while. So this is the 3rd floor, and this is where we did our ground phase, and then we went down to the simulators. I'll be putting up a simulator video along with this as well, to see how inside a simulator you are and stuff. Okay, so for now, going back down.
Maintain 1200 feet per minute. Maintain 1200 feet per minute. Push your nose. Push. Push. Yeah. Yes, you see that's 12. Until the glide slope comes back, then you reduce your vertical speed.
1000.
Okay. So glide, your localizer is sliding to the left. Adjust back to the left a little bit. 5. So reduce your vertical. Tail back to horizon immediately. Immediately. Yes. Okay. Good. Maintain the tail on the white line. Continue your left turn, left bank, yes, and then shortly come back to meet the blue line. Meet the blue line. Okay, now eyes out, look up,
500.
look up and do the landing.
Automatic. 300. 100 above.